top of like, you know, probably 40s to get $1 million in rescue.
They keep your goals in your pocket?
What?
Keep your goals in your pocket?
My goals. Keep money in my pocket. What's that? I've heard that from a couple of people. The goals in your pocket, you always have it. I have it on the whiteboard, so I look at it every morning and I wake up. Whiteboard is right above my bed.
And then, I was just telling you, man. I was your age to do what I do now back then.
Well, I'm beginning. I had so much determination and ambition to get it. Like, I'm going to do the same thing the same way. I've done it since I was 9 years old.
Yes, they say. So you guys met out here?
No, we met in Washington State. First time we ever met, we got the wrestling match.
Really?
Yeah, this is second best friend.
Like a school wrestling match?
No, we were at the skate park.
Just like messing around?
I think I was like, I can't remember how he did it or something. We always got the wrestling match. We travel everywhere.
It's crazy.
Yeah,
That's pretty fun.
yeah.
You remember who won?
It was like even, I mean, like me down, nowadays,
Would you skate too?
Oh yeah, for sure. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I used to skate. Tony Hawk's fell before for a while.
Hell yeah.
I had an open board.
There you go.
I was big on burnout climbing for a while.
There you go, yeah. That's awesome, man.
Oh, yeah.
It's fun, dude. It's fun. On that, it's like riding your bike. I mean, it gets bad on your, bad on your body. Like, your knees are so bad now.
Well, I just snowboard now.
Yeah, like, it's so bad.
Oh, yeah.
I know it's like the first thing is gonna happen when I get old if I need to, you know.
Oh, yeah.
That.
Afraid for my ACL, you know.
Yeah, I tore my ACL. It's my meniscus, yeah.
You play sports?
Yeah.
Wait, you play football?
Actually, no. I just re actually hurt my knee. I got pain and got jumped in this hurt by a couple of people. By a few people.
Frontier Airlines would like to be the first to welcome you to Seattle, where the local time is 12:31 in the afternoon. Please keep your seatbelt fastened, all of your carry-on items stowed, and the aisles clear until we are parked safely at the gate and the captain turns off that fasten seatbelt sign. This will be your indication that it is safe for you to get up. Please use caution opening the overhead bin. Remember to check that seat back pocket and your seating area for any smaller items, wallets, cell phones,
The guy who hit my buddy.
sunglasses, eyeglasses. Make sure you don't leave those behind as you do plane this afternoon. You may now use your cell phone if it is available without undoing your seatbelt. A customer service agent will be available in the gate area to answer any questions you may have regarding connections, ground transportation, or baggage claim here in Seattle.
New shots, spiritual do me some justice.
On behalf of this flight crew and board the Beaver, who's been flying along on our tail and our winglets, we do sincerely appreciate your business here at Frontier. We do look forward to seeing each and every one of you again and often on another Frontier flight. Welcome to Seattle.
I know stuff from the work.
Yeah, it's usually expensive everywhere around here. You're gonna be paying quite a bit, bro. I don't know. Yeah, they're phenomenal seafood around here.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you do want to be reunited with any checked luggage here in Seattle, wherever we are, that is going to be baggage claim number 7. That is lucky number 7 for all of your checked luggage.
And pull you out by your ear.
That's my mom.
Do you have kids?
Yeah, he's a man child.
That's what my mom calls me.
He's 25. How old are you?
33.
I'm 25. Be my mom for the day.
Oh, God, no.
No? I wish I could still live at home.
I know, I'd save so much money.
I have a 35-year-old friend that still lives with his parents. And he's never paid rent in his life.
That's how old my brother
I
is.
said,
Like
if you don't
30.
have $100 grand in the bank, you're a failure. I don't know, he calls himself a professional disc golfer.
what disc golf is?
I know it is. I know
That's
it is.
fun.
But
I like
I'm
disc
not a
golf.
professional disc golfer.
Instagram model.
Yeah, I know. It's like someone who has dreams but has no aspirations. It's kind of a nice thought. Maybe I think it does like tournaments like most of their pay in the weekend. It's like $400. Yeah. I don't know. I'm an aspiring YouTuber, you know. No, I'm not. I'm really good at adulting.
That's a good career. Adulting. Very good career.
Adulting at its finest. Yep. How old is your kid? Be 13. Nice. Her first year back to school? Wow. Really? Yeah, Colorado's doing amazing. My mom's a school bus driver from Peter County, or for Peter School District, and she's going back to school, I think, next week. Which I'm concerned, she's 72. And, yeah. Yeah, I mean, she's pretty healthy for what for the age that she is. She is, but still at the same time concerning. Kids have germs.
A lot of germs.
No, seeds, okay? Yeah, you gave me that stuff, unless that's just water. It smells like vodka, so. Good to go. I'm about 99% sure I had it in December. Yeah, because I was sick for like a week and a half, and then all of a sudden, it was like, yeah, I'm not trying to have shit stuck up my nose. Yeah, no, two of my friends had it, and they were like, I've had worse flu. They're like, it's fine. It's just quarantine. Yeah, at the same time, it's one of those things too. Yeah, it's underlining diseases and stuff like that. Conditions. It is what it is. Hey, smoking. That's right. Just out here having a good time. That's all. I guess they're all that.
Real good time.
5 seconds.
Flight attendants, prepare your doors for arrival and cross check, please.